A condo association is required by law to set aside funds to replace its common area carpet. The current cost to replace the carpet is $20,000, and it will need to be replaced in 6 years. The cost of the carpet is expected to increase at a rate of 2% per year. The condo invests in treasuries yielding 5% paid semi-annually. Find the semi-annual payment required to have the funds to replace the carpet in 6 years. So we have two things going on here. We need to find the cost to replace the carpet in 6 years. So we are going to be looking for the future value there. And then we need to find how much we need for the payments. So whatever we get for the future value for the cost to replace the carpet, we are going to move that into the future value in the second box, and then we are going to try and find the payments. So let's first find the cost to replace the carpet in 6 years. So we know that the present value is $20,000, and the cost is expected to increase at a rate of 2% per year. So I is 2, and PYCY is going to be 1. So it's increasing at 2% per year. So inflation means it's compounding annually. And N is going to be 6 times 1, because this is 6 years. And there are no payments. So if we calculate this, this is going to be $22,523.25. So that is the cost of the carpet in 6 years. So that is our ending point for the second box as well. Only now we are trying to find the payments so that we can pay for the carpet. The present value is going to be 0. The condo invests in treasuries yielding 5% paid semi-annually. So it's 5% for the I and 2 for the PYCY. And N is going to be 6 times 2. So then if we calculate the payment, it's going to be $1,632.25.